Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add the cover photo in Line. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to Settings. At the top right, you can see a gear-like button right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you guys can see, there are lots of options, but right now all you guys need to do is focus on this button right here called as Profile. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, do note that you can simply add the cover photo by clicking on this camera icon associated with the cover. Else what you guys can do is simply focus on the bottom that says Set Profile Icon and Cover. Click on either. Once you do that, simply focus on this section called as Profile Cover. Do note that you can set the profile cover by simply clicking the image from the camera, or you can simply select it. Choose whatever you wish. Well, as you can see, I have selected this image right here. It's okay with me. I'm simply gonna click on Next. I do not want to edit anything, so I'm simply gonna click on Done. Well guys, that is it. That's how we add the cover photo in Line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.